So here's page 1. We're going to find the perimeter and the area for each of these shapes. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little notation up here that this column is going to be for perimeter and this column is going to be for the area of each of these rectangles and squares. So let's start with the area. That's the easiest one to do first. Let's do the area for all 15 of these, then we'll go back and do the perimeter for them. Area is an array. All we need to do is multiply one side times the other side. That is the formula for the area of a rectangle. So looking at the first one, I have 5 and 4. 5 times 4 is 20, and in this page they're all inches, so the area here is 20 inches squared. Question number 2, 10 times 8 is 80 inches squared. Number 3, 3 times 10 is 30 inches squared. Looking at question number 4. Question number 4, 2 times 4 is 8. I'm going to go ahead and start making my exponent, that means squared, instead of writing INSQ, because this is a lot faster. Question number 5. 4 times 4, 16 inches squared. Question number 6. 3 times 2, 6 inches squared. Question number 7. Area 5 times 5, 25 inches squared. Question number 8. 9 times 7, 63 inches squared. Question number 9. 10 times 9, 90 inches squared. Let's take a look at the bottom here. We've got question number 10. 9 times 4, 36 inches squared. Number 11. 7 times 6, 42 inches squared. Number 12, 5 times 8, 40 inches squared. Number 13, 5 times 6, 30 inches squared. Number 14, 7 times 4, 28 inches squared. And the last one, 2 times 10, 20 inches squared. Now we're going to go back and we're going to have to do a little bit of work in order to get our perimeter. So if you recall, to find the perimeter for rectangles, we have a few options. First, we can double the length, double the width, and add them together. The other option that we have is to add the length and the width and then double that. Because in this worksheet they did give me a length and a width, that's what I'm going to do on this paper, on page 1. I'm going to add them together first and then multiply by 2 to double it. So let's put that into action. Right here I have my length and my width. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Then I'm just going to double the 9. My answer is 18. 18 inches. Let's take a look at number 2. I'm going to add the length and the width that they gave me. 10 plus 8 is 18. Then I'm going to double that because that means that I'm going to add an extra 8 down here, and I'm going to add an extra 10 over here. So if I double it, I'm going to get the perimeter for the entire thing. That is 36 inches. See, it's really easy if you know the rules or the formula for the perimeter. You don't have to add 10 plus 3 plus 10 plus 3. Just follow the formula. 3 plus 10 is 13. I'm going to double the 13, and I get 26 inches. Let's take a look at number 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. I'm going to double the 6, and I get 12 inches. Question number 5, 4 plus 4 is 8. I'm going to double the 8, 16 inches. Question number 6, 2 plus 3, 6. I'm going to double it. I get 12 inches. If you understand how to do it and you don't need to continue with me any further, you can stop the video and finish the sheet on your own. The answers have been included. But if you need a little more Miss Arocha love, I'm going to continue page 1. Let's take a look at number 7. 5 plus 5 is 10, and then I'm going to double it. This is for perimeter, 20 inches. Let's take a look at number 8. 9 plus 7, 16. Then I'm going to double my 16, and I get 32 inches. Number 9. 10 plus 9 is 19. I'm going to go ahead, double my 19, and I get 38. Now I am doing some of these kind of fast. That's because I just happen to have these memorized, or easy way to do these timetables. But you can do regular multiplication. 9 times 2 is 18. Write the 1. Carry the 1. Write the 8. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Same thing. Question number 10. 9 plus 4 is 13. I'm going to double the 13, and I get 26. Number 10, 26. Let's take a look at number 11. 6 plus 7. Hey, that's 13 again. I just did 13 here. Nothing changes. I know that number 11 is going to be 26 again. Let's take a look at number 12. 8 plus 5 is 13. What are the odds? 13, 13, 13. I don't need to do any work because I know 13 times 2 is 16. Let's take a look at question number 13. We've got 6 plus 5, 11. Double that 11. My answer is 22 inches. Let's take a look at number 14. 7 plus 4, another 11. Guess what? I just did an 11 here. My answer is going to be the same, 22 inches. And number 15, 10 plus 2 is 12. Double the 12, I get 24 inches. That is the perimeter.